So in this short video, we're going to talk about how to conjugate verbs that end in IR in the present tense in Spanish. So today we're going to look at repetir, which means to repeat, and we're also going to conjugate escribir, which means to write. We're also going to look at vivir, which means to live. So the verb endings for the IR are a little bit different than AR. So I'm going to give some examples for you guys. So the I would be O, tú es, él, usted is e, nosotros is imos, and ellos is en. And I'll give you an example with the verb repetir. So if you want to say I repeat, it would be yo repito. It would be tú repites. To say you repeat, and to say él, ella, and usted repeat, it would be repite. And to say we repeat, it would be nosotros repetimos. And to say they repeat, it would be ellos repiten, with an en, and what I'm doing is taking off the IR at the end and replacing it with the appropriate verb endings. So now we're going to do the same conjugation with escribir, which means to write. If you want to say I write, it's yo escribo, you write. It's tú escribes. He, she, and formal you, él, ella, usted, would be escribe. And to say we write, it would be nosotros escribimos. And to say they write, it would be ellos escriben. Okay, so all I'm doing is taking off the IR and replacing it with yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, and ellos. So we're going to conjugate the last verb now, which is vivir, which is to live. So if you want to say I live, it's yo vivo, you live. It's tú vives. He, she, and formal you is vive. And to say we live is nosotros vivimos. And to say they live is ellos viven. And this can also be the female they, it can be ellas as well. I hope you enjoyed this short video on IR verbs, and I'll see you in the next video where we will cover ER verbs in Spanish in the present tense.